In this video, we're going to talk about sell your XRP on Uphold. It's one of the few places you can buy and sell your XRP. Click on the link below in the description box. Sign up for your free Uphold account. You can purchase Bitcoin, XRP, Dogecoin, and many other assets. Now, right now I'm logged into Uphold, so when you click on the link below, you'll get the same type of access. Let me show you one area where you can get the address. When you click on your XRP in your main account, so that means if you purchased XRP before, to get access to this on Uphold, click on here right there, and your wallet address, you will get the actually address. So you need this address if you're trying to send your XRP from somewhere else to here. So you need to grab this address. I'll go ahead and zoom it in. All you do is copy it, and also your destination tag as well. Don't forget about that as well. So if you're on Coinbase and you have your XRP on Coinbase, you can send your XRP from Coinbase to here. You need to have the destination tag, and you also need to have the full address. I just want to show you that real fast. Okay, so we're gonna sell XRP. Sell your XRP, yeah, you know me. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're gonna go and find the XRP that we have. So we're gonna sell this XRP, 14.9 XRP. So we're gonna click on there, and we're going to type in how much XRP we're going to sell. So we're gonna sell 14. All right. The next thing is we're gonna keep our currency USD. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. We're gonna keep our USD currency as it is. And now we're gonna find our bank account. Now you can add your bank account by clicking on this plus sign. And very simple and very easy. And I'm gonna click right there. Now I'm going to be getting $9.12 back with this transaction. Now the only thing I have to do now, really, double check. Okay, I want to sell 14 out of the 14.97 XRP. My USD currency is USD. I can change it by clicking there and finding a different national currency. Look at all these different currencies I can choose from. It's really cool. Uphold is a global digital company. Really like Uphold. And then you also have your checking account. You can add your checking account right here if you need to. Another one. Very simple, very easy. Click on there and you just click your currency and just follow the next steps. Really easy. And then here it shows learn more about our pricing. You can click on here. You learn about the pricing work. By clicking there, you understand the Uphold pricing policy with cryptocurrencies, fiat currencies, and more information as well. You can read this information if you want to be familiar with the pricing areas. It actually breaks it down very simple and very easy. So go ahead and look at that as well. And the next thing is you want to go ahead and make the withdrawal. Preview withdrawal. $1 equals up to 1.3 XRP. That's what this means. When I preview the withdrawal, the next thing it tells me, it gives me kind of more of an overview, a recap exactly what's happening. You're selling your XRP 14 from your XRP account 2. 14 is going into your checking account. This is my checking account from my bank. That's what is the name of it. Is the name this, and that's the amount that's going to it. And as well, it takes 3 business days. It can take sooner than that. Really depends on the processing and how long it is and how much it is, but it can take sooner. But 3 business day is the standard. The market rate, $1 equals up 1.53 XRP. So that's what the rate is, the market rate. Now this next part right here, you can put some notes in here from verification references. You don't have to put notes in here, but you can. Just more for tracking purposes, or if you want to just put more information up exactly about this transaction. So you can do that. And another part here, you enter your 6-digit code generated by your authenticator app. You need to have this set up on your mobile device. You want to download the Google Authenticator app or the Microsoft Authenticator app on your phone. So you want to go to the Play Store. If you have an Android phone and Apple phone, you go to the iStore. And this is what the verification code is. It says it's a 6-digit code generated by an authenticator app. You need it part of the 2-step verification. So you definitely need that. to be able to set this up. If you have any questions, just click on there and then click there, and it tells you what type of authenticator app that it actually selects and actually has. You click there and it actually has the step-by-steps of how to load it up on your phone, which is really, really cool. I'll have this information, a link that goes to this, in the description box as well, for you can go ahead and take a look at it, for you can download it if you don't have this already. So what happens is you'll get a 6-digit code generated by your authenticator app. When you click on the app itself on your mobile phone, it gives you 6-digit codes, and that's really it. It's very, very simple and very, very easy. And the authenticator app code, it does expire, so don't worry about, you know, if people are going to copy it and things like that. I won't give it away, but it does give you, it keeps giving you that information. It will give you, you know, about a couple of minutes, and it will expire. So this is the one I currently have. They just gave it to me. Okay, they just changed it. So I do this 2287, and I just confirm it, and that's how I would sell it. So if it confirm you withdraw, that's what I would do, is confirm it, and that's it. And then if I don't act right away, this expires. So right now, it's already expired already because I've already waited too long. So actually, this already expired already. So I actually go back onto my mobile phone, and that's it. Confirm withdrawal. We good to go. And that's it. That's how it works. That's how you sell your XRP. Yeah, you know me. Very simple. And I'm telling you, if you do not have a way of buying and selling your XRP, I would definitely consider Uphold. It's a very simple process. You can buy it, you can store it, you can sell it, and you can send it to other people if you need to. Just go ahead, take advantage of it. Click on the link below in the description box. Plug into the Uphold, get your start your free account, and I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Click on the link below in the description box. Sell your XRP today. I'll see you later.